Ladies and gentlemen, presenting one of the most popular dinosaurs from the great New York City. Tonight we're going to draw Ankylosaurus. One of the most popular and one of the most incredible gentle giants. This dinosaur has a large club at the edge of its tail and is protected by a series of armor. Yes, I am. This dinosaur has a large club at the edge of its tail and is protected by a series of armor. This armor protects itself, and, well, if that wasn't enough, this dino would whack its enemies away with its large, unpredictable, thigh-smacking club. One strike and then BAM! Down goes the threat. And up comes the one that protects him. This guy is highly protective around its hatchlings. And, well, one of my top 10 favorites during the Cretaceous. Alexa, what is Ankylosaurus? Alexa, what is Ankylosaurus?
Ankylosaurus is a genus of armored dinosaurs. Its fossils have been found in geological formations dating to the very end of the Cretaceous Period, about 68 to 66 million years ago, in western North America, making it among the last of the non-avian dinosaurs. It was named by Barnum Brown in 1908. It is monotypic, containing only a magnificent.
What a hero that man is. He deserves that title of hero. Alright, here's his club. This is what he used to defend his enemies. I mean, defends himself against enemies. This is how he protects himself against enemies. What a peaceful being this guy is. I'm proud to have drawn him on my page. There he is, everyone. That's how you draw the Gentle Club's giant himself. Prepare yourself. There are more dinos coming this way. Stegosaurus, see you later.